In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark on Google Docs. We're focusing on the PC experience, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to mark a spot in your document and create a clickable link that jumps right back to it. This is especially helpful for long reports, guides, or meeting notes where you want quick navigation to a specific section. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Once it's open, decide exactly where you want the bookmark to live. You can simply click to place your cursor at that spot, or if it helps you visually, highlight the text that represents the location you have in mind. The key idea here is that a bookmark is a little marker you plant in the document so you can jump back to it instantly. Now, head to the top menu and choose Insert, then Bookmark. A small blue bookmark icon will appear next to the line where your cursor was placed. That tiny icon is your confirmation. Nothing else in the text changes, and readers won't see anything disruptive in the document body. It's just a precise marker ready to be linked. Next comes the important part, linking to your bookmark. Choose the text you want to turn into a clickable link, something clear like Go to Section or the title of the destination. Highlight that text so the link you create will be applied directly to it. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+K or use the top menu again by selecting Insert, then Link. This opens the link dialog where you'll choose what the link should point to. In that dialog, click Headings and Bookmarks. You'll see a list that includes your document's headings and below them, your bookmarks. Select the bookmark you just created, then click Apply. Your highlighted text is now a link that jumps to the exact spot marked by the blue bookmark icon. This keeps navigation tidy and professional, and it works great when you're sharing the document with others. A couple of quick notes for clarity. If you don't see headings and bookmarks in the link dialog, double-check that you created the bookmark first. Also, the clickable text can be edited at any time. The link stays attached until you change or remove it. And remember, bookmarks are ideal for precise locations, while headings are better for larger sections. Using both together gives your document a clean, organized structure. That's it. Open the doc, insert a bookmark where you need it, then make a link to that bookmark so readers can jump there instantly.